Hello everyone. I got this. Oh, my dog's snoring. I got this like blue Yeti by Logitech. It's a streaming microphone for creating and streaming microphone. Original price was $129, and I saw it on clearance for $38.99. I got the receipt right here. I'll put a picture somewhere in the video. And total after tax is $42.99. So it's about like 70%, I think. Anyway, this is the most, believe it or not, this will be my most expensive microphone so far, because it's $42 is expensive for me. But this was $129, so it's actually more expensive than what I normally buy. So for $38.99, it's a good. I think it's a great deal. I'm not sure how good this microphone is. It's probably better than what I have right now. My microphones I got is like $20 off Amazon. So this is cheap. So I'm gonna do is do an unboxing on this one, and I'm gonna try it on and see my voice if it's better. I know you still won't understand what I'm saying. I'm just gonna be probably mumbling again. So, but at least it'll sound good mumbling, right? Alright, so let's do an unboxing first before I test this one into my computer. So, it's heavy, by the way. How do I open this? So it's on the side. There's a sticker here. Let me cut that off. Cut that out. So inside is a USB cable with a it's not micro. I forgot the name of this one, but it's between micro and USB-C. So whatever that is, mini. I think it's mini. I don't know. I don't remember. I haven't seen that kind of connection for a while. Yeah, where are you? So I'll put a little thing, text on the side here. So it comes with a manual, instructions. It's pretty straightforward. So the main event. I think I have this upside down. Let's see. No, it's the right one. So it's pretty big. Okay. I'm looking at my phone as a monitor, and it pauses too much. So that's why I cannot stop what I'm doing too. This is the microphone. It's pretty big. Ooh, silver. So in here there's volume, mute button, and on the back a pattern. I think it's the I don't know what's the pattern for. Gain. I think the pattern is how you talk. I don't know. I'll put a text again. I'll put a text. I don't know what this is. Hole here. So where do you plug the USB? It's heavy. Whoop! Something just came out there. Where this came from? I don't remember. Okay, so there's a headphone jack in the bottom. Headphone jack, and the USB connection over here. Let me get a ruler so you can see how big this thing is. Alright, I'm back. It took me a while because when people borrow stuff, you don't put it back where it belongs. So you can tighten this here. So 12 inches height. It's about 12 inches. and the width is about 5 inches. So that's what, so 12 by 5. Alright, so that's the dimension of this thing, and I'll read up about it, then I'll talk about it when I'm testing the audio on this one, and see if you can hear the difference of my voice, or I still sound crappy like I always do. Alright, so let me plug this into a computer and we'll see, you see how I sound like. Alright, so I set up the Yeti to my Mac here using I'm using QuickTime Player to record myself. Here is the directional, gain is half, and volume here is half. And since I set up for directional, so you're supposed to talk on this part here. This is the front, so you talk right here. So I'm gonna start recording, and okay, still recording. I'm making sure my camera's recording. Anyway, let me start my QuickTime audio recording, and I'm gonna record myself right now. And since I don't have a pop filter, let's see how the P goes. I'm gonna use Paul in a sentence. Hey Paul, be careful. You might fall in the swimming pool. Hey Paul, be careful. You might fall in the swimming pool. Now let me do the ABCD first. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, B, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, B, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me do another one, last one. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm, he had some cows. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here's a moo, there's a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Everywhere moo moo. I did that twice. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm, he had some chicks. E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here a cluck, there's a cluck. Everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. That sounds good. Let me do another one, last one. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm, he had some cows. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here's a moo, there's a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Everywhere moo moo. I did that twice. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm, he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here a cluck, there's a cluck. Everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. That sounds good. Alright, so that's it. This is the microphone I got for 38 bucks. I think it's a good deal. It used to be 130. There's probably better microphones out there, but this is what I got. This was on sale, so I just bought it. Alright, so if you like this video, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. And I hope to see you next time. And don't forget to click the notification bell. Goodbye.